The way I do it for some of my commercials account and real estate, I had one that it was net 60, but they know that if they pay within 30 days, they will get a 10% off. And guess what? The check was in the mail within 30 days.
That's super smart. If you know you're having issues with late payments, just incentivize the behavior that you want. And if you need to adjust your pricing to account for it, go for it. Charge a little bit more, Anthony. Just incentivize them to pay early by giving them the discount.
In the contract also says if we get the payment after 60 days, it was 2% late fee. But also the advantage was if we get it within 30 days, you get 10% off. So either 10% off within 30 days, no fees within 60, or 2% more after 60 days. I remember my daycare, I had a check within a week. But then again, keep in mind that it's 10%. So if you charge $1,100, 10% is $110 less. So you got to keep that in mind.
You collect 1 or 2 extra invoices a month using that method, and it pays for itself very quickly. That's such a good way to do it. Where'd you learn that?
Previous job, I'm pretty good with numbers on a sense where collecting, budgeting and all that, because my previous job, long story short, I used to manage $1.5 million a month on accounts. It was account like numbers. The accounting came to me, hey, just a heads up, the owner gave permission to give a discount if everybody pays within 30 days. I'm like, really? So that's what I did. I sent emails to all my payables account, tell them, hey, we have a new contract. If you guys pay within this and this and that, we have never any issues.
That can help somebody collect a lot of money this year.
I have no issue collecting money. In fact, everybody pays me, even some of the homeowners. I can pay you now. Can you pay me next week? Oh yeah, sure. I got no problem paying it, but I'm going to give you a week. After a week, I charge you a little more. And they understand. I'm pretty flexible. Here in Idaho, it's like a country living. So everything is word based. Like they keep their word. So I never had any issue about no one pay me. Just in fact that the day before, they're like, hey, Anthony, I'm not going to be home. Here's my code for you to get in. That's how trustworthy people are over here.
We had it like that with some of our customers too, but it was after we'd served them for a couple of years. They knew us, they knew our guys, they knew that we were solid.
Actually, I got an example here. One, I just booked one for tomorrow afternoon. Never met him, never heard it. She just texted me her code for the garage. Like I said, country living, word related goes really far. So I have never issue collecting anything.
That's good to hear. I have a client in Tennessee that I know has had issues with collecting from commercial contracts in the last year. And we talked about it a couple of times. I'm going to share this tip with him that you just gave me, Anthony, because that actually I think could help him out in the situation he's been dealing with.
Make sure that sign some sort of a contract, make it legit. In fact, I'm going to try to find that contract on my old emails. If I find it, I'll edit it and I'll send it over. Yeah.
That'd be awesome. Thank you.